Merry Christmas to all. Alright guys, ready and rearing. We're going to country for Christmas. So we're on our way to my grandparents' house this Christmas, but before we got there, we had to make a quick stop in Old Harbour town to pick up a couple last minute items. I went into the store to get a couple of them and I did, but I still couldn't find a very crucial item for today: paprika. So my mom recommended another store that's likely to have it, but one thing about shopping in Old Harbour is that the place is always gonna be busy, and this shop was nothing short of proving that. But at the end of the day, all in all, I walk out with exactly what I did want: the paprika for baked macaroni and cheese later. Thank God Old Harbour always a keep. After that, we just made our way to country full speed ahead up in the hills of St. Catherine. And we're here, aren't we, Chantal? We have all of this to unload now and carry over to the yard, which is right over there. Guess I'll have to carry it away. All of them, yeah? Yeah. Now while the rest of the stuff is being unloaded, let me show you all around. So, this at the yard, aka my grandparents' house, and this is the office for the day. Now while we unpack and clear up the office, let me introduce you to today's main characters. Alright, so I'm gonna start my process. Right, now guys, you're looking at the baked macaroni and cheese boss. You know, so I have to have the milk and the shredder, the cheese them, the macaroni, the mayo, and of course, the paprika. Now, of course, whenever I have shredded cheese, so we have to make our own, you know it, go. Should I make this other one? Yeah. Just in case. Alright guys, so far we just put the macaroni on the stove. What is it so far for you, Shante?
It's fun.
A lot more work to do. The cooking just started. Look up. Now at this point the macaroni did done boil and we did ready for start make the cheese sauce. So don't mind the fact I suddenly forget where my phone was and I started looking all over the house. But irrelevant of that fact, the cheese sauce got done. But one thing I didn't account for in making the sauce is the enough macaroni when we did end up a boil. Too much mac and cheese? Like it might need a little more, don't it? A little more sauce. I'm gonna make it stale. Alright guys, so successfully finished the mac and cheese. It's currently baking. Tasha, how's it going? For the most part, my job is done. To be honest, it may or may not turn out optimal because I did have to do some cook. Switch around, put in more butter and all of them because there was too much macaroni. I'm never account for that. Hopefully it turn out good. Fun fact. My grandma owns a little shop, a little stall, and I usually like to take one or two things, paid of course, because I have to support the business, support small businesses. I'm not the biggest fan of these biscuits. All these options, I think I'm just going to take a lollipop, I'm not going to cut. So I'll just take two of these, because I think I got $20 for them. What are you in the market for today, madam?
I want something to eat.
Well, okay, I can offer you some pepper.
No.
Well, the other thing is these biscuits. I just them there. Alright, I'll let you know that I don't know the cost. And as such, you'll have to ask Mama.
Meanwhile,
Oh, yeah, good, Papa. Oh, the curry good. Wow, huh? Eat it.
When you so, when you care about it, make it tell. No, yeah, you know, worry because you don't have to use what it too bad.
Oh, I'm gonna do it.
All right. Yes, I'm not going to put that. Yes, I don't want to kill about.
How's the soup? How's the soup? Soup is boss. Now, naturally, the macaroni and cheese turned out good anyway because I me deal it. And by now, most of the food was ready. And I just the fried chicken did really left for finish. But once that did done, it was time for the piece de resistance. The Christmas dinner. Classic cock, right? Not gonna lie to y'all, I literally started eating this food and forgot to vlog the whole consumption experience. I mean, look on the picture. You can tell. Food did busting and busted. And best believe me, single-handedly drink off all of that, sorry. Top tier Christmas day. But at the end of the day, what is this all for? Alright, so what does Christmas mean for you?
It's about celebrating the birth of Christ and celebrating it with my family, our country.
Okay, and how was Christmas this year?
It was fun.
It was fun? Alright, wanna come? Is that a hard question? Alright, ready? What does Christmas mean for you?
The season where I get to spend the most time with my family and friends and eat the most food and things. Yeah.
Alright, and how was Christmas this year?
Well, that good so far. That got good so far.
Alright, good. It wasn't that bad, bro.
It was actually beautiful.
Alright, your turn, Tash. Hi, Tasha. What does Christmas mean for you?
The time that I get to spend at country, you know, where I grew up, you know, I had fun in my childhood. I get to eat food, cereal, cake, chicken, everything. That's it.
Right. And how was it for you this year?
It was good, a bit chill, mellow, nothing dramatic, but good. It's not done yet. Not even 6 o'clock.
Right. Alright. Good job, guys. Nothing too crazy.
That's a wrap.
What a day it's been. Let's take you, Jerome. Guys, so that's the end of the video for today. Christmas overall was good. It wasn't the most Christmassy Christmas of all, but I feel like that's a feeling that everybody shares at this point. But yeah, have a wonderful new year when it comes. Thank you guys for watching. Jamaica Christmas.